Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device model and OS version so you know the exact settings path. Once done, make sure the device is unlocked with your PIN or password and battery above 20%. Next, open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, then choose Fingerprints. You do this now because removing a fingerprint requires authentication. Don't skip unlocking. Follow the on-screen prompt to authenticate, so the system allows edits to stored fingerprints. You'll now authenticate again if prompted. This is the system's safety check. After authentication, locate the specific fingerprint entry, sometimes named or shown by placement. Once identified, tap that fingerprint to open its detail view and choose Remove or Delete. Make sure you confirm the prompt. Many devices ask, "Are you sure?" to prevent accidental removal. After removal, test by locking the screen and attempting an unlock. It should no longer accept that fingerprint. You finish by rebooting the device to clear any cached biometric data and ensure the change persists. Once restarted, make sure you test lock screen access, then add a new fingerprint if you want biometric convenience. If the removal didn't work, try toggling biometrics off and back on in Settings, or restart and repeat the deletion process. This resolves most sync or cache issues. If problems continue, temporarily remove all fingerprints and re-enroll them to restore a clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.